What's up, y'all? It's your girl King Quartz, and today we're back at another freaking video. Please don't mind my hair. I'm about to do it actually. I'm about to install my birthday wig, and I'm about to take y'all with me. But first, let me put on the shirt because I don't have a shirt on, y'all. So let me put on the shirt. Y'all said it's my cash day, yeah. So don't mind this hair because I'm already starting to take it off, but I gotta finish taking it off. As y'all can see right here, it's coming off. But yeah. So yeah, we installing the pink hair because that's what I want to do for my birthday, is all pink. So I'm excited. I just got a brand new pink pattern. I actually didn't mean to get this one. I actually want, you know, those little flat ones, kind of like the Jada Waiter one she had that she used to sell for her old line. But yeah, y'all, so we finna install this thing. I done bought about 8 pairs of lashes today, y'all, because I already know I didn't know which pair of lashes I wanted to wear, but I combined these two, and I think I like this. Because I wanted to give like the strip look and then do my bottoms. I'm gonna do my bottoms with it, so it's gonna be cute. Because most of the time that's what I really have on. Y'all be thinking I have extensions, but I really just got some strips on, added some bottoms, and that was that. So I don't got no pants on, y'all. Sorry. Sorry. Let me add the cuts on it. But anyways, y'all, let me get ready and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. If y'all hear anything freaking crunching in the background, it's my dog. But yeah, y'all, so while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna give y'all kind of like a little update, a little life update, you know, on me. So yeah, because it's been some crazy things happening. But for starters, my dad actually passed away this Monday. So I've been dealing with a lot of family stuff. Y'all know that. Y'all know how that goes. It's a lot. It really is. So I've just kind of been going through it with that and stuff like that, and trying to help my mom get together everything, because you know it's really a lot on her as well. That was her husband of about 35 to 40 years. So you know, who wouldn't be sad from that, you know? And that was also my father, so I did my little grieving and stuff, and I'm still kind of grieving, you know, in between. But I'm really trying to just be strong for my mama, because she lost 2 of the closest people of her life. Like, she lost, we lost my grandmother, which was her mom, last year around my birthday again, 3 days before my birthday of that. So it's kind of like she lost 2 of her closest people to her, you know what I'm saying? So that's really a lot. So we've been dealing with that behind the scenes, and then I've been working, and it's just been a lot, but mostly that. And yeah, it's crazy. It really is, because it happened so unexpected, but it was crazy. And it took a toll on me because it was around my birthday as well. And it was like, he just had his birthday, and you know. And the last time I spoke to him, he told me everything was okay, but couldn't have been deep down inside, you know. But I'm just trying to stay positive about it, because everything happens for a reason, you know. Just to get a little personal with y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all some of my personal business. Everything happens for a reason, you know. God has his reasonings with everything, so I'm gonna trust his path in life. I'm happy that my mom is still here, you know, and everything that's going on around her hasn't taken on like a depressive state with her, you know what I mean? So, because that's a lot, you know. Everybody can't handle stuff like that. So put my wig out. All right, I look a little crazy. But yeah, y'all, I'm just happy that it hasn't taken on a depressive state for her, because honestly, truly, that's a lot. I don't know how she's doing it personally, because I would just be so broken down. But I don't know. You know, life happens, things change. You just kind of grow. You kind of gotta grow with the seasons, you know what I mean? So I'm being there for her. I'm trying to be as strong as possible. Sometimes it's a lot trying not to cry in front of her, you know what I mean, with all that going on. But I just try to keep a smile on my face, a smile on her face, make her feel so special, you know. I'm letting her know, like, she's not in this alone. Like, if she ever needs something, even if it's just a bill, like, girl, hit me up, you know? I don't ever want her to feel like I don't have anyone to call on now, you know? Because that's not a good feeling. It really isn't feeling lonely. It's not a good feeling, so. And she has a big, like, we have a big house, you know, where my parents stayed and where we all stayed because, you know, it was a family house. So I was talking to her about that, and she's probably going to end up selling that house because, like, it's so big. I don't want her there by herself. You know, I don't want anything to happen. So she needs to find something that's, like, catered to her more. You know what I'm saying? Since she's living by herself, it's really a big house for just one person to live in. Speaking of, in which me and my brother are not living there with her anymore. So it's no longer kind of like a family house because we're not there, he's not there anymore. So it's a lot, but we're gonna get through it. Promise you. Sorry y'all, I'm removing this glue and then it's getting tangled up with my edges. So yeah. I'm thanking God that, like, I have the friends that I have right now because they've been checking on me just about every day, y'all. Like, no, seriously, because, and I really appreciate that. And my boyfriend's been oh so supportive. Like, he's been stronger for me and my family because Lord knows I don't know how the fuck I would have did it without him. But y'all, I'm gonna come back when I finish removing this glue because it's really a lot, you know. So I'm back. All right, y'all. So like, is it zoomed in? Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I'm about to put my glue down along my edges. I'm gonna move them back though, and then after that, we're gonna lay the wig. But first, let me spray this wig. So I'm gonna show y'all. And honestly, I'll start along where these roots are right here. But actually, for the sake of this, I'm gonna flip this inside out since I'm kind of showing y'all how to do it. So, stand kind of far back too as well when you're spraying it. And you can spray as much as you need. Okay? As much as you need. Your preference. Your shade. Okay? I'm about to flip this inside out so I can see if this is the right amount. Closer. See how it's like the brown along the roots and the hairline? Yeah. So yeah, that's what I do with my wigs when I'm too lazy to like bleach knots, if you know what I mean. So this is like a quick method, you know. So don't gotta do too much. And I just used Ghost Bond classic glue. So oh well, let me hold on. Y'all, to be honest, please don't talk about my hole in my cap. This is an old cap. I use the same cap sometimes until I buy a new one. But I really don't do the cap method. I think I showed y'all in another tutorial that I did. I really don't use the cap method. So I just pull my edges back. I use this to pull my edges back basically. And then put glue around it type stuff. Nothing more, nothing less. So I just go around my hairline and just dot it. Y'all know, if you haven't watched my other wig tutorial, you should, definitely should. I just dot around it because that's how it should be done. You don't want to smear it all over the place. You do that after you tap your glue on here. You know, get a good little amount of glue all around. A good amount of glue. So yeah. And then I take my little, this used to be an old razor actually, and then I just used the end of this to smear it out. Please don't mind this hair on it, baby. Y'all know I've been recycling, reusing. Yep, I did. But yeah, cause y'all love, the girls love to do too much. I don't got time, y'all. So I'm gonna say it right now in this video. Don't do too much. Chill on me. And y'all see I'm just smearing it out basically. Make sure every part is covered evenly. So when the glue starts drying, all of it is drying evenly out. And then get up in that little corner a little bit. And do the same to the other side basically. Smear it back up, come up a little bit. And just start smearing upwards when you get on the other side of your head. I'm left-handed, so I started on the left side. I don't know, maybe it's just a left-handed thing. I'm not sure, but that's how I do it, okay? So yeah, I got my first layer all smeared out. and it's already getting tacky. Y'all see it's kind of turning blue. Well, hopefully y'all can see it. It's kind of turning blue already, so that's how you know it's drying. And when it turns clear, you add another coat, and then we go from there. Or when it's like almost clear, just add another coat and just smear it out, and then just wait till it really gets clear for you to lay your wig down, and that's gonna seal the deal, like, period. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I'm gonna let this glue dry, and then we're gonna come back. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's turned clear. Sorry about to say clear, like, what the fuck, I'm thinking of glitter. Yeah, I was putting oil on my hair. I took my cap off, and why I got it on my shirt? I'm about to change it because that just looked messy and ugly. But I'm gonna put this next layer of glue on it, and then I'm gonna change my shirt. I'm so mad, y'all, because we literally just get into the video, like, be for real. I can't believe the oil just started out on me. But yeah, y'all, so when I do my wig installs, I do add hair growth oil to my installs now. I used to do it like not so often, well, like every so often, but not every time. But I'm definitely promoting my hair growth, so I'm on my hair growth journey because I cut my hair into a bob probably like way earlier in the year, but it's been growing, honey. It's back. It's basically almost back to where I had it before I cut it. So we are still on my hair growth journey because I'm trying to go into my buds, baby. But my first goal was to hit back, mid, back again. So, because I was so close, and then I cut my hair. I was like, I want a bob. And I gave myself a funky ass bob. I'm just like, but no, y'all. So I gave myself a bob. But I kind of regretted that later. So make sure y'all, when y'all are about to cut your hair, don't be impulsive like me. If y'all know y'all are gonna regret it later, do it on a wig. Because I should have did the same thing. But especially since I know it was only gonna be temporary, like, be broken. My birthday is on the 26th, and this Saturday is the 18th, which is the date I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday. I'm gonna just kind of massage my hair and massage the oil in there. But yeah, I'm celebrating my birthday on this Saturday the 18th because my birthday is on the 26th, which is around Thanksgiving. You know, people are going to be out of town, all that. So I don't want to interfere with all that. So I was like, well, let me celebrate this Saturday because I want to do something and I want my people to be there. All right, y'all. So we back, and as y'all can see, oops, focus. Hey, all right, y'all. So we back. So as y'all can see, the glue is dry on every side. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the middle of my wig, and I'm gonna lay it. But first, let me cut this back lace off because this irks me so much, because sometimes I forget to cut this back lace off, and it irks me so bad because it's like you can see it in certain videos and stuff, and I'd be like, bro. And I did go ahead and cut this to my head, like the edge of my ears, basically. As y'all can see, I did go ahead and do that, but I did that about a few days ago, so I'm sorry about that, y'all. Y'all can't see that, but so we're gonna lay it now. Oh, why is it not focusing? I'm cleaning as I'm going, okay? But what I can say is I already know this color is gonna be real cute. I'm loving it already, y'all, for real. My bad if I'm looking like this way, because I'm looking at my camera, because I can look at myself in my camera. This is the one I'm using now. I don't usually use this one, but I'm gonna try this out because I have seen some people use this one and it was like, it's really good. So we gonna see what it's talking about. I'm gonna give it like a month or two. Well, I'm gonna give it the whole bottle, okay? I'm gonna use the whole bottle, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let y'all know when I do another install or something, when I'm getting hair done, something of that sort. And I'm gonna show y'all the growth. God. Y'all, this hair sheds so much. I got this hair and it sheds so much, y'all. It's really annoying, slick. And I really need to re-dye it because y'all see how it's kind of faded right here, if y'all can really see it. But I'm gonna do that later. Not today, okay? Not today. Clean as I go. But this is, it's BioSilk, and if y'all can't see, and I'm gonna just pour like this much of a quantity, kind of like a nickel, not gonna lie. And I'm gonna start on this side. I put that much on like one side, not gonna lie. Yeah, so. And I'm gonna brush it out one more time with a good brush. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I cheated y'all. I was testing out my flat iron. As y'all can see, like my room straighter. I was already testing out my flat iron. Is my flat iron still on? It's not. Oh yeah, it does self shut off. Y'all, I'm not used to this because my other flat iron stays on by itself. I'm probably looking crazy right now, but yeah, we finna get it together. Well, I'm gonna start straightening as it's heating up. Alright y'all, so let me finish. I did this side. It probably need a little bit more straightening, but overall, I did this side. But y'all, this the hair. This the hair. Whole lot of honey. Let me see if this wig melted though. The lace is melted. Now we gotta cut the extra lace, but I ate this up, y'all. I'm so proud of me. Beauty take time, seriously. Or it's really smaller than a penny, and I'm gonna rub it on the top because this is where I'm about to go in with the hot comb so they lace flat and straight, okay? So my camera dying, but this is the hair. Like, what do you know? Hey y'all. So I ended up doing my hair like this. It was just something really quick because I had to end up going to meet my mom and I was running out of time. But thank y'all for watching. See you next time. Bye y'all.
Up